Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to achieve that Korean glass skin makeup by using my three items that I most favoritely love, which is my foundation primer, my honey glow, and my powerful liquid foundation. Today, right, I'm going to try this new shade. We just came in this new shade because I'm tan right now, so I'm going to see whether it's suitable for me. So I'm going to use my primer. Okay, and then this is how I use, right? I don't put separately. I'm a very lazy person. I'm gonna mix everything together. My honey glow. Okay, if your skin, right, your makeup, right, whatever you put, right, your foundation, right, you will always be cakey, right? Try our honey glow so that you won't have cakey makeup after all. Okay, this is the most right now, this foundation and the honey glow is going viral right now. The previous liquid, the previous video, right? So I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is my liquid foundation. It's anti-aging, most powerful. It's full coverage, right? So you don't need to use concealer. Frankly speaking, I don't have dark circles, so I'm not going to use concealer. So I'm going to mix these three together. Okay, a little bit goes a long way because it's full coverage, right? Don't put too much. And then just put layering after that. If it's and then you do one area at a time. Okay, if you are like not so blendable, not so good at blending like me, just do one area at a time. Means one cheek at a time, one eye at a time. Make sure to apply also on your face and your eye. There's a lot of times we forgot to put on our eyes, right? And then the eye and the skin looks different. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead. So normally if I wear hat, right, I don't put on my forehead lah. Because if I wear hat, right, no point putting on makeup on hat on the forehead area, you know what I mean? So everything just move downwards because you want to protect your skin against the environment. Okay, this is 150. The 130 is a bit pinkish. So sometimes I like to mix together, depends on how I feel that day, whether my skin is very red or not red. Because sometimes after walk, right, after take a walk, I come back, my face is red. I know, right? So I love this color. Oh, this is so cute, this color. I mean, like, so this is how you achieve that Korean glass skin look. Follow me for more. Next round, I'm going to do the eye thingy. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye.